portfolios are frozen in time. You build them once and you forget about them. Years later, you will look back and then make changes to it. And honestly, this bothered me. The portfolio website must feel new. It gives me a good feeling that the space that I own on the internet is updating every day. A few days ago on X, I found an article from Eric. It spoke about how to make a website that rebuilds itself. I'll leave a link to that article in the description. Eric is running multiple AI models at the same time and comparing how each one responds to the same prompt. That's really interesting if you want to see differences between the models. I took a different approach. Instead of comparing models, I wanted to see how different personas tell the same story. So in my setup, the same idea runs through 5 variations, one after the other. So now I have 5 different modes and each one generates the same idea in its own way. Same starting point but completely different tone, structure and emphasis. One might be more analytical, another more emotional, another brutally concise. Nothing changes except how the story is told, and seeing that difference side by side turned out to be way more insightful than I expected. Think about what this enables. Website that updates when things actually change, like features, documentation, content, products, dashboards. No delays, no outdated pages, no manual rewriting. Same idea every time. Use real data, understand what changed, regenerate the site. I'm not saying this is the future of the web. Maybe it is. For me, it just solved a real problem. And waking up to a site that updates itself overnight, that feels pretty good. It might not be the most impressive system you have ever seen, but if this way of thinking interests you, it could be worth following along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions about this work or want me to break down any part of it, drop them in the comments. I'll reply as soon as I see them.